Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So this is what another video where we are going to find out such a opportunity in the market using the scanners and screeners, using the charting. So here I'm going to focus for a bullish stock. So this scan which I seen on the search in web, and I can modify it as per my own. So that was giving you such a good result. But you need to manage your trades, right? So this scanners will provide you and finding out such a opportunity which present on the stock. So it will help you to find out where you are going to take a entry. So if you are believing that the same stock will give you a bullishness, so you can focus this. So this is a scan where we are used, and this was giving you the backtest result of this. And yesterday, and it's an intraday. First we are using a 15 minutes time frame. And what is the use of this stock? The scanner is it will finding out as such a bullish stock. So those stock which is trading are turning into the bullish at the momentum. So that particular time it will be finding out the opportunity, and it will give you the stock name as a scan result. So let me try. It's yesterday. So many of them are commenting. Like you are don't give you that kind of scanners and screeners. So I already updated most of the scanners my Telegram channel, and that link of the Telegram channel which is provided below this description of this video. You can join and you can get it out. Even you are asking you, sir, I have joined but I cannot able to find out. So I pinned out the messages in the top of the Telegram chat. If you click that, that link will open all the scanners which I have created, and most of the individual scanner which I shared on the day where I created the scan, and the same day evening I have shared on the Telegram channel. But again, sorry, you are going to make a lot of scanners. See, because a lot of people are doing a lot of different things. Someone who's doing an equity, someone doing in a future, someone doing in options. So each and everyone is having a different own view. So like that, I have also having my different own view. Whenever I'm trying to create a scanners for options only. So because I'm an option trader, but some people are asking to give me a stocks equity scanners. So you can make use of it. Whether you can if you find a stock for a bullish, whether you can try to trade in equity or a future or a stock, whatever you want, you can use it. And the same stock also be repeating on the scanners. So that what it means, the stock is keep on continuing the trend. Right. So you are giving you the alert on regular basis means what? So it is giving you the alert. But see, for example, this particular day on 9:50 of 11th February, we have these four stocks: Laras Lab, Tata Steel, Petronet, and NTPC. Okay, so these stocks which is provided you for a bullish kind of trade. But if you check yesterday's NSE, it is down by 300 point. The Nifty were closed by nearby 230. That is a 1.3% negative close. But this stock which is showing you bullishness. Yesterday, Nifty overall it's closed by negative around 231 points down. But the same day, we have some stock for a bullishness in the opening itself around 9:15. That is what the scan time which is provided by 9:15. It's called what we say. It's a the trigger range. Whenever we got a trigger, that time it will provide you the stock which is forming such a kind of pattern. So that is what main idea. So yesterday we were seeing the Tata Steel, Petronet, NTPC, and Laras Lab. So it's showing a bullishness. So and the same stock. So the can you see the pink color? So that is the same stock at 9:45 also the Petronet. That was a Petronet. When you see whenever you see the pink color, that is a Petronet. Again here end of the day. So the Petronet from the beginning till end of the day it is coming under our scanner by 5 times at 9:15, 9:45. This is what a 9:45. Again, it is coming onto the scanner by 10:30. After that, again it is coming to 11:30 and end of the day of 3 o'clock. The same stock which is reference. So can you see the blue one is maybe a Indus Bank or a Lara's thing. So the same one that we may Indus Bank. So Indus Bank yesterday we got a first time on 9:30, and the second time even first time also 9:15 also we got a IndusInd Bank. Sorry, IndusInd Bank we didn't get at 9:15, but here you see that Indus Bank, and then again Indus Bank. So 11 o'clock. So once the stock is coming first time, so that should be the great opportunity to take the stock to take a new trade. So that is this is not a post market or a pre market scanner. It's a real time scanner. When it is forming such a kind of conditions, it will tell you the stock which is satisfying your conditions. So that's why I'm giving you the stocks to your list like that. So let me try it out. Yesterday market totally negative, but these stocks showing you bullishness: Laras Lab, Tata Steel, Petronet, and NTPC. So first we see Laras Lab. What happened yesterday? It's showing a bullishness in the morning. So can you see at 9:15 it closed by 554, and then at next 15 minutes itself 566, almost a 10 rupees it moved within a 15 minutes. If you are applying a opening range breakout, it breaks the high and it moves well. After that it's flat and it is closed lower, but it's showing you the some it shows for a great opportunity to take a short-term intraday trade. So I'm not going to hold the position based on this particular thing. I'm just going to keep this trade for my intraday. Just a second. So my intraday trade, quick profit, which is generated by 9:15 if I entered it. So within 9:30, 9:45, it moves a very big. So if I'm playing any small kind of risk, small kind of quantity or option trade, anything possible within a quick exit is possible. The second stock where it is a Tata Steel and Petronet. Tata Steel, what happened in Tata Steel? But 9:30, it given you the entry opportunity. By 9:15, it went up and again it is coming down, and then it finally bounces back to 1,263, where it is started by 1,238. Even though the Nifty on the day is totally negative, so from the beginning, and also it is a gap down. It started going down, and recovered and closed lower. But even this kind of a day also, we have such a good opportunity in Tata Steel for a buying opportunity. So that was working good. And the third one is a Petronet. So you may someone may tell say after market you are telling you this goes that goes, but well if you are seeing this, I seen in a real market that was giving you such a good opportunity. This was the trade and immediately it went up. Such a small profit is generated, right? And finally we got NTPC. Petronet and NTPC. So that is another stock where you see that the initial startage here, and if initially it come down and it recovered back and ending with a 137 and 36.7. So there is a small movement with the scanner which is possible. So if you are using the scanners, that will help you to find out such a great trade opportunity. But after that, any new stock, that is 9:30, we seen there is a stock which is coming to IndusInd Bank at 9:30. After 9:30 only IndusInd Bank should be, we are going to take a entry. After 9:30, this is the candle. So initially it triggers 972 and it fallen down towards 958 and then it recovered back towards 987. You may use some other technical indicators here to find out such a great opportunity at this point, may helping you to find out such a great trade. Is that right? So that you are going to focus, and after that any new stock, Lara Step already we got it. So on third stock we got it as NTPC, already we got it. So here we have Tata Steel, that is already having. So this point of the time we have Tata Steel and Petronet, that is already given. So this is the same stock what we have got earlier in the 9:30, 9:15. Tata Steel again. So this point of the time same Tata Steel, NTPC. This stock still going up, same. And finally the same stock. So better when you get a stocks at 9:15, so you may be focusing that stock alone to get such a great idea. So let me try it out. This is happening by 9:50 of February 10th. Kodak, LIC, Grasim, M&M, Chola Finance, and 2, 4, 6 stocks. Let me say on 10th of 10th of this month, these are the stocks for a bullish. First one is Kodak Bank. Let me try to trade in Kodak Bank, or let's see the Kodak Bank what it is given. Kodak Bank, which is given you the entry opportunity at 9:30. This is the first candle at 9:15 by 10th February. Then it is moving up. It's a good profit. And then LIC Housing Finance, Grasim, which is started here and it moves up. And LIC Housing Finance, that is also started here and moves up. And M&M Chola Finance, Jindal Steel, M&M, that is also okay. This one is happening here at 9:15 and but initially it fallen down and it recovered back very. Chola Finance and Jindal Steel. Cholamandalam Finance. This is what a Chola Finance. After that, it is moving higher, and Jindal Steel. That is also, this is a Jindal Steel, that is also working. So at first 15 minutes, any stock which is come to our scanner, so that may be helping you to find out such a great opportunity. So don't ask to give the scanner again. So this scanner I am not provided yet. So but I'm going to do one thing for my clients, those who are following on my Telegram, right? Those who are following on my Telegram, what I'm going to do on my Telegram channel, I'm going to provide you that signal alert. Let me try it out tomorrow what it's showing us. So we'll instead of tracking a real time, trying to take a scanners and screeners, so we will go for that one. Means what we are going to do, intraday put option breakout. So what I'm going to do here, so I'm going to make this scanner to send me the alert on Telegram. So it should be useful, right? This should be a useful trade, right? So that I'm going to create you now. So let I create you, and I'm going to add you that one into um, on my Telegram. So it will send you the real time alert. So I'm doing it just right now. So I'm going to use a webhooks. So I will call it as a intraday bullish stocks. So another scan. Intraday bullish stocks, I can create a triggers, and then I'm going to add in my Telegram channel, so that I have sent a message on my Telegram channel. I'm going to use on my candlesticks pattern trader, so that will provide you the message on my Telegram channel whenever you got a new alerts on the stock, right? So that will give you such an idea to do the trade. So I create that and continue and finish, and I'm creating on the app. So let me try it out in the documentation. I'll go to create. I'll test it out right now. When I got a messages in my Telegram, okay, I got a messages in my Telegram, that's working. So I'm going to add this for my, oh, just wait. Yeah, copy, and I'm going to add this scanner, create alert. So I'm going to use the alerts on my Telegram channel, which is 15 minutes once. I'm going to use only one new one. I'm going to use desktop and mobile, books, and unique only I'm going to use. So when you use unique ID, so it will find out the stock. If it is coming under the second time, it will not reflect. Only the new one it will reflect. So from tomorrow you can check it and you can tell me how it is working. So by tomorrow 9:30 it will start, or it can be triggered at 15 minutes. We are using a 15 minutes. It may be triggering at 15 minutes. It may be a best one. So you are going to use this scanner. Tomorrow you can, for finding out you can check out in my Telegram channel. Will it helping you to find out the trade opportunity? So then you can back test, or you can taking a real trade. So someone would say, sir, after market anyone can say. So that's why I create a real alert. So you can check it out the real alert. Once it is working, you may use, or at least you can do the paper trade. Once you got idea, or you got accuracy, just let me know. I am also doing. But if you are starting doing that, so you can practice from your side, either a paper trade or with the minimum equity or minimum quantity trade. That's about my video, and thanks for video. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. And the day tomorrow stock selection also be working good, right? But someone who are telling you to what is the without knowing the logic how I can use the stock. So but I know the logics, but I don't want to share it out right now. So tomorrow what are the stocks which is for a tomorrow's trade? So I didn't get a stock for a tomorrow. We didn't get any trade, but yesterday we have a lot of stocks, but today we don't have any stocks for a tomorrow's trade. These are the stock which is for a yesterday. That is what Jindal Steel, sorry, stock for a tomorrow. These are a stock for today. GNFC, ONGC, Indulge. These are the stocks for tomorrow. That means Monday. Yeah, this is on 11th February, right? So that stock for today, that is already over. So if we didn't have any stock, I will check it out and I'll let you update. So these are the stocks or new. Is there any other new stocks? Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any question, just comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.